In this video, I'm going to review another perfume oil from Swiss Arabian that is called this one, HAYAA. Now, HAYAA actually means modesty and shyness in a modesty kind of way, and it is basically the quality of men and women alike, but mostly for women. But I think for this one, this is really nice. Let me show you the inside so you can see how this has been represented. So I really enjoyed its presentation. You can see the bottle, really love the bottle, and the cap. You can see the cap over here is really nice. Oops, why it is not focusing? Okay, so here we have it. So this is the cap, this is the juice inside. There is another applicator along with this one, the roller one. So this is the box. So I'm going to get this one out, show you the bottle. So this is the bottle and this is the oil inside it. I think it's 12 ml. Yes, it's 12 ml. So I really love the top over here. This is really nice. And I'm going to describe the smell. Now it is sweet, incensey, little bit of fruity, mostly burned if you have burned ash, so little bit of ashy kind of smell in it. So I'm going to apply it over here on my hand to give you an idea. So this is the bottle. I really enjoy the cap over here. You can see there is their logo on the top, I think SA, Swiss Arabian, and I really love what is on the sides of this bottle. Okay, so if you have been to Arab countries or if you ever go there, you will smell this sweet incensey vibe when you go to a bakhur shop. So if you want to get a incense for you, if you are into burning incense, these kind of smells you are going to get from those shops. So this is actually very sweet, incensey, and burned ash kind of, like very little burnt ash. Musk, white musk, they have put white musk to balance this out. So I think the sweetness it is there is from the musk added into it. It feels a little bit of synthetic, but it is really nice. Nobody is going to dislike this perfume oil. It's woody oud, little bit of amber. I mostly detect musk and burned incense. Musk and burned incense. I think that is, if I describe it in two words, this is basically musk and burned agarwood or burned incense. So in true terms, it is not basically agarwood, it is sweet incense kind of vibe that is I'm getting from this one. I really enjoy this one. So I have kept it like this in the in this box over here. After some time, it is a bit of fruity kind of sweet for me, and it doesn't have that much burnt kind of wood, but others are going to enjoy it if they are around you. From up close, it is a bit, you can see, a bit more powerful for me. But overall, it is very Arabic, incensey sweet, a little bit of ambery kind of scent. And I think if you are into Arabic scents, you should try this oil. Really nice, really nicely done. It feels a bit synthetic because I think most of the time naturals are very rare, so they rarely put it, but I really enjoyed this bottle. I really love the design of this bottle and how they have actually presented it in this box. So this is HAYAA from Swiss Arabian. I'm going to put it inside the box now. to show it like this. So this is HAYAA from Swiss Arabian, and if you are into incensey kind of sweet, incensey kind of perfumes or perfume oils, this one is a good one. You should try this one, HAYAA from Swiss Arabian. So that is my simple review about HAYAA. I don't detect any rose or any floral in it. Maybe there is, but it is really well blended or very toned down. I mostly detect musk and incense, sweet incense. That is all. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, you can put them in the comment section below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with others. I will see you soon in another video with another scent or perfume, and we will explore it together. Till then, take care and bye.